Jesus. Haha, blood of Jesus.
You don't need to slap this guy back. I know he slapped you, but guy, life is about forgiving. This guy is your brother. There's no need to slap him back. Nigga, move on. Bro, move on.
Really, nigga?
I just mind my business.
Both of you are stupid. Yourself.
Beautiful.
Oga, I beg.
Your money or your life?
Oga, na my life. My life, I beg.
Your life?
Na my life.
Which one be your life? Our God don't teach us that one.
Na my life I wan give you. You know, collect.
Our God don't teach us. My work don't spoil it.
I sure say bullet self no dey that gun.
Bullets no dey.
You know say you don't die. But yeah, I beg, give my phone money.
Je suis pas celle que tu crois, aucun cabron ne m'attend. À part toi, caballero, personne ne m'a touché.
Mangekyo Sharingan.
La cocaïne, intime ma famille. Je suis une clandestine, à Miami.
Waiting be this one like this.
A boy for the night. How much would you charge?
No, mother, I don't charge anything. Just go. Do you have Indomie at home?
Yes, I have Indomie.
We are good to go.
Just Indomie.
Indomie and egg.
Only Indomie and egg.
I'm telling you.
We are good to go.
Do you have onions?
I have onions.
But I'm fake be this now. Okay, I tell you it's not fake. Observe, Anna, observe. Look, you take Puyan on that. You get me? I take Puyan on that. It is not fake. Observe and see. If you even calculate, if you even say more do some calculations, more judge by those pictures which they put on Instagram, like this picture now, observe. But do it long from here. Come here, If you calculate this one, see the waist for here, or the belly for here now. See the two belly, see the hole. If you calculate from here to here, now the set they match. I tell you that the set will see for here.
But she don't post that say that fake now.
Okay, na real, go that's why I say na real.
Hey, OG.
Hi, Chief.
How you doing now?
I doing alright, chairman. How you doing, man?
Don't tell.
We don't get our normal football chats now.
No be lie, you. Lately I just get busy, Jerry.
So I notice them. We feel link up this weekend now.
This weekend. Oh yeah, now. Again now.
Oh yeah, now me I call your number now.
Okay. Call your number, make I copy am.
070.
Okay.
419.
Okay.
419.
Okay.
22419.
Okay. Copy my own now.
Oh yeah, now.
00.
Okay.
666.
Okay.
666.
Okay.
66666.
Oh yeah, now. I'll save him now.
Oh yeah, now.
We'll link up this weekend. Yeah, this weekend we'll link up.
Oh yeah, no wahala.
I'll save him now.
I will save him now. Chief,
Oji, What's your name?
Tokumbo.
Tokumbo, okay.
Yeah. What's your own name? Make I see one.
Elewedu Johnson. Eh? Elewedu Johnson.
Elewedu Johnson.
Yeah, now my name be that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, now.
Oh yeah, now we go see OG. We go see OG.
Oh yeah, now chief.
Oh yeah, now chairman.
My leaves gone cold, I'm wondering why. Got out of bed at all. 3.5 clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. And even if I could, it would all be great. But these racks stacked up too tall. It reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad at all. My leaves gone cold, I'm wondering why. Got out of bed. 3.5 clouds up my window. I can't see it all. And even if I could, it would. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms, you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking P.I.M.P.
God have mercy upon us.
This story will change your life for good. Long, long ago, there lived a girl. Her auntie was maltreating this girl. She went to a public school while her sisters went to a private school.
Child.
She cried and cried. But guess what? One day, the Igwe needed a princess for his prince. He organized a dancing competition in the village. Everybody, all the maidens, went for that competition, but this girl did not go. She sat down in the house and she was crying. But suddenly, 3 hours later, she woke up and she said, "No, I must go." She walked majestically to the competition. And guess what? The prince and every other person have gone.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
They don't come out, they don't go out. Don't go let Nollywood deceive you. Whether they maltreat you or not, if you still no go marry prince, so don't go let anybody deceive you.
Say you don't want me,
they want nobody say. Man, I come on, nobody say.
This uncle is crazy.
I'm not a vegan god. I'm not a vegan god. I get coconut head. I